Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 6-year-old. We are practicing addition with puzzles, revising odd even, more less. We're introducing the division concept with half, introducing multiplication with triple, number bonds, symmetry, and ascending order for numbers. These are the topics which we are going to cover in this one. So let's start with the first one. So addition puzzles. Again, these kind of concepts. She knows addition, but when it goes to 13 plus what is equal to 20, she really needs to work on the fluency level. So these are the questions will be, they're easy one. They all have to make 20 plus 9 plus what equal to 20, 17 plus what equal to 20. So they're more of fluency practice for making 20. This is make pairs. So again we are practicing addition. So there will be numbers like with the black one is we have to match to one number which is in green, like 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. So what in the green one equal to 16? So it's 20 minus 4. So basically she has to calculate it, solve each of the questions here, and just for the clue, one black will match to one green to keep it simple. But again we are practicing here addition and subtraction till the number of 40 and 50, not very complicated. This is the concept which I'm going to teach her, the new thing, like how to make a number. She knows tens and ones, that when we compare we always check the tens one, or the number on the higher end. So like if I have to make a number with 5 to 1, it can, if I make a 2-digit number, it can be 52, 21 or 25. 3-digit number, how you make 125, 521, anything. Now if I have to make a smallest 2-digit number, a number will be smallest if tens is smaller or if the tens is bigger. If it has to be smaller, the tens number has to be smallest. So it will be 1 and 4. If you have to make a largest number, it means the tens number has to be the bigger number. So that's a concept I'm going to explain to her here. Again, so it's like a teaching thing here, how to make numbers bigger or smaller using the digits which is given to you. Here we are practicing odd and even once again, because still gets confusing to her. Like if 93, she'll be sure it will be odd, because she gets confused that have to check the ones or tens. I think it's more of again a practice thing. Like 3002, she will be confused that should I check 2 or 3. 42 will be easy, 93 will be easy, 26 will be easy, but when it goes to 1, 2, where the this and this is confusing, like different, then she will have to practice it here. Again we do these things orally also, but it will still in a busy book she gets like comfortable with it. 2 more than 6 plus 4, again addition she has to do. More focus is on addition and this less thing, because less subtraction she still goes by counting backwards. So yes, I like to see how fluent she has become in this more and less before I can cross out this topic from our homeschool, that we are done with it. Division, again we have done division with fingers already. Like if you have 4, how do you divide in 2? 2 2. I have 2 daughters, so we always say okay, divide like these 10 bangles between S1 and S2 equally. This is what we have done for a very long time, but we did only verbally, not like in a busy book or anything like that. So that's what I'm going to see, that can she show verbally, and if she can do verbally, I'll explain to her that this is called division. This is how you divide 5 and 5. 16 cookies between S1 and S2. So my girls are S1 and S2, so keeping it in a real life for her, that if I give you 16 cookies and I want you to divide between you and Didi, how will you divide? So I would like to see her approach. Can she do it? She has fingers, because these questions we do a lot of the stuff orally, so I really want to see her approach here, and then correct her if I feel that I can do some other way, or maybe she can do it, then I'm good to go for the further steps of division. Again, triple a number means 3 times. Double she knows, because double is again multiplication, she knows double. To introducing the term here, that what is triple? Triple is 3 times. That also we realized, I was talking to something like you have to triple it. It's like, what is triple? Like triple means 3 times. So because I realized while we were talking that she doesn't know the triple, quadruple, those terms, so it's a topic we can cover here. uh, Multiplication is simple, 4 plus 4 plus 4, and this will be difficult for her because she doesn't know skip counting by 8, and 8 plus 8 gets a lot for her to even addition. So this I'm not expecting her to do, but these two should be easy for her, and we will see. So basically these books in January, February, March, these 3 months of busy books will give me an idea, like at what level they are, which topics we need to work more on, and it'll, this will be my guidelines for creating the next busy books for the next months. So first 2 or 3 months of a of a session or of a new year, I always keep testing that, how much they know, what all we need to work, what topics we have not worked out, or maybe some topics of grade 2, or I mean exactly grade 1 we have already done, or they're good at it, so I can cut off from my curriculum list. So that's what it is. I'll be introducing some topics, see how they are doing, and then it is make half. So again, she know what is half, but this half she can do, this half she can do. I'm not sure, these shapes might be tricky for her, but I'll just again see her approach, that does she know half means what when it goes to, like, they're symmetrical but not like special, I don't know what you call them, like they're like proper shapes, right? They are not, you have to draw a horizontal line here or like here. They are not that I don't know what to say, but here these can be confusing for her to divide into half. These things will be easy to cut in half. So that's what I'm going to see. Can she do it? Number bonds is something she's still very scared of when it goes to bigger numbers, especially when we use in addition. But still, I want her to practice them, like 76. And again, the trick here is fluency. 6 and 4 makes 10. So I want her to make 70 and 6, 20 and 4. 6 and 4, 10, and 70 and 2, 90. So it's 100. But that fluency in addition using number bonds or even tens and ones is not there. So we will keep practicing the number bonds till we get that level. Again, this is 10 and 2, 10 and 8, 8 and 2 make 10. So again, more of fluency thing, but we need to practice it, writing this one and all. Symmetry, we were doing the lab book, and there was a thing that, butterflies are symmetrical, and I realized that she doesn't know what is symmetry. So yes, we are going to do the symmetry question. So I explained the concept symmetry when we are doing the insect lab book. She did the symmetric part of that butterfly and everything. So here again, that the same thing, that she has to do the same thing. So this is what is symmetry, that when you do it half, the both sides look same. So I want her to practice this using this concept here. And ascending and descending order, this we still need to keep practicing when it goes to bigger numbers, like 82, 89 and 91. She goofs up, still it takes time to practice. So until number of 50 she is good, but it goes to bigger numbers, it's more of an overwhelming thing for her. So again, we are practicing ascending order till the number of 100 yet. So that's all as a busy book for my 6-year-old. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.